Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 26. I would like to encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. All these are functions of a cuticle except one. 2a. Protect the leaf from entry of bacteria and fungus. B. Regulate the aperture of the stomata. C. Carry out cuticle transportation. D. Reduce evaporation of water and mechanical injury. And the answer is B. Regulate the aperture of the stomata. The basic unit of chlorophyll is A. Nitrogen, B. Magnesium, C. Iron, D. Potassium. And the answer is B. Magnesium. Photosynthesis takes place mainly in the palisade cells because 1. They absorb most of the sunlight. 2. They contain most of the chlorophyll. 3. They are elongated at an angle to the epidermis, so they absorb most of the sunlight. 4. They are not spongy. Which of the following is not correct? A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 3 and 1. D. 4 only. And the answer is D. 4 only. An experiment was conducted to discover the effect of different light intensities on leaves enclosed in a glass jar. In one sample, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere around the leaves did not change. Which of the following best explains this? A. There is low rate of respiration and a high rate of photosynthesis. B. The rate of respiration and photosynthesis are the same. C. There is a normal respiration and a high rate of photosynthesis. D. There is a high rate of respiration and low rate of photosynthesis. And the answer is B. The rate of respiration and photosynthesis are the same. Which of the following factors control the diffusion of carbon dioxide into and out of the leaf? 1. Lower carbon dioxide concentration in the leaf as it is being used for photosynthesis results into inward carbon dioxide diffusion. 2. Higher carbon dioxide concentration in the leaf than outside during the night results in an outward flow of carbon dioxide. 3. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is needed as a raw material, so the leaf sucks in carbon dioxide. 4. During daytime, the rate of respiration is higher than the rate of photosynthesis. Thus, much carbon dioxide is formed and diffuse out. A. 1 and 2. B. 3 and 4. C. 1 and 4. D. 2 and 3. And the answer is A. 1. Lower carbon dioxide concentration in the leaf as it is being used for photosynthesis results into inward carbon dioxide diffusion. And 2. Higher carbon dioxide concentration in the leaf than outside during the night results in an outward flow of carbon dioxide. Some green grass were covered with a light-proof sheet of paper. After a few days, the grass in the covered area turned yellowish-white. On exposure to light for a few days, the grass regained their color. Which of the following conditions could be the best of the conclusion? A. Light is necessary for the manufacture of chlorophyll. B. Light is necessary for photosynthesis. C. Chloroplasts die when light is absent. D. Chlorophyll is needed in photosynthesis. And the answer will be A. Light is necessary for the manufacture of chlorophyll. Which one of the following pairs of vessel would have the highest concentration of sugars? A. Phloem and hepatic portal vein. B. Phloem and hepatic vein. C. Xylem and hepatic vein. D. Xylem and hepatic portal vein. And the answer is A. Phloem and hepatic portal vein. In terrestrial plants, most stomata are found on the lower side. This is an adaptation which ensures that A. Oxygen is returned to the soil to increase its supply to soil microorganisms. B. Less water is lost from the plant during transpiration. C. The rate of photosynthesis is limited. D. All the carbon dioxide in the near environment is absorbed efficiently. And the answer is B. Less water is lost from the plant during transpiration. During photosynthesis, the initial energy for the process is provided by A. The energy released when water molecules spread. B. Radiant energy from the sun. C. Oxygen dead. D. Chemical energy from the cell, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And the answer is B. Radiant energy from the sun. The process of photosynthesis takes place in two stages. Which of the following are false? A. One stage, the dark stage, does not have to occur in darkness. It may occur in either darkness or light. B. The second stage has to occur in darkness. B. C. One stage is light independent. D. One stage is light dependent and is called the light stage. And the answer is B. The second stage has to occur in darkness. During photosynthesis, light provides the energy used to combine carbon dioxide and hydrogen split from water to make carbohydrates. Which of the following is the best statement in describing the use of light in photosynthesis? A. Light provides the energy bond which binds carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen to form carbohydrates. B. Light energy is used to combine carbon dioxide and water. C. During photosynthesis, some energy is lost as heat energy. D. During the process of photosynthesis, light is used to split water. And the answer is D. During the process of photosynthesis, light is used to split water. Bicarbonate indicator is commonly used to changes of carbon dioxide in solution. It shows this due to change of color. Which of the following is correct? When the concentration of carbon dioxide is more than 0.3%, the color of the indicator turns yellow. B. The indicator is reddish orange when it contains about 0.03% carbon dioxide. C. When the indicator is alkaline, its color is purple. D. When the concentration is less than 0.3%, the color becomes blue. And the answer is B. The indicator is reddish orange when it contains about 0.03% of carbon dioxide. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. During daytime, most leaves show the presence of starch and absence of sugar because they make starch fast. B. Soluble sugars in the cells affect the osmotic activity of cells. C. The immediate product of photosynthesis are soluble sugars. D. Most plants store products of photosynthesis in insoluble form like starch. And the answer is A. During daytime, most leaves show the presence of starch and absence of sugar because they make starch fast. When green leaves are crushed, a green liquid is obtained. The liquid appears green because A. It contains pigments of different colors, but the green pigment are the majority. B. It contains green pigments only. C. It absorbs red and blue light. D. It absorbs green light and thus appear green. And the answer is C. It absorbs red and blue light. Which of the following is the product of photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide, hydrogen and light energy. B. Chemical energy and oxygen. C. Chlorophyll and water. D. Light energy and carbohydrates. And the answer is B. Chemical energy and oxygen. Which of the following are the most correct functions of the light stage? 1. To split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. 2. To provide oxygen needed for the respiration of plant cells. 3. To make ATP. 4. To return oxygen to the environment. 5. To reduce carbon dioxide. 6. To make simple carbohydrates. And the answer is A. 1, 2, and 4. B. 1, 3, and 4. C. 1 and 6. D. 4, 5, and 6. And the answer is B. 1, 3, and 4. 1. To split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. 3. To make ATP. 4. To return oxygen to the environment. What is the source of oxygen given out during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Water. C. Isotopes of oxygen. D. Chlorophyll. And the answer is A. B. Water. The broad and flattered shape of leaves is a structure adaptation which A. offers a large surface area for gaseous exchange and light absorption essential for photosynthesis. B. Is necessary for speeding up water uptake. C. Reduces water loss from plants by guttation. D. Is necessary for speeding up the rate of transpiration. And the answer is A. Offers a large surface area for gaseous exchange and light absorption essential for photosynthesis. Which of the following is an example of halophytic nutrition? A. Building up complex organic molecules from inorganic molecules. B. feeding on dead organic matter by external digestion. C. Feeding on complex organic substances by internal digestion. D. Breaking down the complex organic molecules into simple organic molecules. And the answer is A. Building up complex organic molecules from inorganic molecules. Which of the following sets of compulsions between respiration and photosynthesis is incorrect? A. Respiration uses up carbohydrates. Photosynthesis produces carbohydrates. B. Respiration does not require chlorophyll. Photosynthesis needs chlorophyll. C. Respiration carried out by animals only. Photosynthesis performed by green plants only. D. Respiration uses oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. And the answer is C. Respiration carries out by animal only, and photosynthesis performed by green plants only. Thank you for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 26. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.